Black holes could power entire civilizations. What if we're living in a simulation right now? Science is full of wild what-ifs, thought experiments that push the limits of imagination but are rooted in real physics and research. In this video, we'll dive into 5 of the most mind-blowing scenarios and explore what they'd mean for humanity. The sun goes dark instantly. Earth only notices after 8 minutes. Within a week, average temperatures drop below freezing. Within a year, oceans begin to freeze over. Humanity's survival depends on geothermal power, fusion, or living underground. We'd probably last weeks, maybe months. But without the sun, Earth becomes a frozen tomb. Einstein says nothing with mass can exceed light speed, but sci-fi imagines warp drives and wormholes. FTL travel could let us colonize galaxies in decades instead of millennia. But paradoxes appear. If you travel faster than light, you might arrive before you left, breaking causality. Faster-than-light travel could make us explorers or unravel the very fabric of time. Black holes aren't just destroyers, they're engines. A small black hole emits Hawking radiation, releasing more energy than all power plants on Earth combined. Advanced civilizations might build Dyson spheres around black holes instead of stars. Black holes could be the ultimate power source, if we're smart enough not to get swallowed. Look up at night and instead of stars you'd see giant, glowing arcs stretching across the sky. They'd brighten cities, inspire religions, and completely change our cultures. But rings would block satellites, mess with GPS, and reflect sunlight, possibly altering climate. The view would be stunning, but the trade-offs might make Earth much harder to live on. Nick Bostrom's hypothesis: if advanced civilizations run realistic simulations, odds are we're in one right now. Evidence, glitches, déjà vu, and strange quantum limits like the Planck scale. But even if true, does it matter? Life feels real, and that's what counts. If we are in a simulation, maybe the biggest question isn't are we real, but who's watching? These what-ifs stretch the imagination. But they're also rooted in science that's being studied today. From black holes to simulations, they remind us that the universe is stranger than we can possibly imagine.